There was a time when bomb blasts had become commonplace in our nation's capital. People would think twice before leaving their homes. However, after the 2011 High Court blast, the government had managed to bring these terror modules under control to a large extent. We were successful in curbing cross-border terrorism, and as a result, Delhi has not witnessed a major terror attack in the last 14 years. But now, after 14 long years, an incident resembling a terror attack has occurred once again. Although the government maintains that it is investigating all angles, the trail of this blast is increasingly pointing towards terrorism. The evidence recovered from the site and the arrests being made make it clear that this was no ordinary cylinder or CNG blast. So, what is the real reason behind this explosion? Was a larger conspiracy being hatched? Have we narrowly averted a more devastating attack? It is crucial to find the answers. But before that, it's important to understand that there is a lot of speculation and divisive politics at play. Therefore, let's first understand the facts. Let's start with the car, a white Hyundai i20 with the registration number HR26CE7674. Before the blast, the car was parked for about 3 hours in the parking lot near Sunehri Masjid. When it left in the evening, it suddenly exploded. Investigative agencies have confirmed the vehicle's movement through CCTV footage. The car entered Delhi from Faridabad in the morning. It then roamed around Daryaganj, Kashmiri Gate, and central Delhi, before being parked near Sunehri Masjid in the afternoon. Shortly after leaving the parking lot in the evening, the car exploded on Subhash Marg, in front of gate number 1 of the Lal Qila, Red Fort, metro station. The masked man seen in the car is believed to be Dr. Umar Mohammed. Initially, the government was hesitant to label this a terror attack because no traces of conventional explosives were found at the scene. Usually, an RDX blast blackens the vehicle, leaves chemical residue, and creates a crater. None of these were present, which confused investigators. However, eyewitness accounts and the sheer intensity of the blast soon made it clear that this was not a CNG explosion, which is neither as powerful nor as loud. It has now come to light that the explosion was caused by ANFO, ammonium nitrate fuel oil. Ammonium nitrate, commonly used in fertilizers, becomes a powerful explosive when mixed with fuel oil. ANFO requires a detonator to explode. The question remains whether the detonation was intentional or an accident. The car's complex ownership history strengthens the terror angle, with its final owner being a man from Pulwama who allegedly gave it to Dr. Umar Mohammed. Police claim they foiled a major terror plot that began with an investigation into pro-Jaish-e-Mohammed posters in Srinagar. CCTV analysis led them to their first suspect, Dr. Muzammil, who worked in the emergency ward of Al-Falah Hospital in Faridabad. His interrogation led to the arrest of another doctor, Dr. Adil Majid, in Saharanpur. About 350 kilograms of explosives, including ammonium nitrate, were recovered from them. Panicked by these arrests, Dr. Umar Nabi, the car's driver, went missing and drove the car to Delhi, where the blast occurred. Police have also detained a fourth doctor from Lucknow. This entire episode is being termed a white-collar terror ecosystem, highlighting the worrying trend of radicalization among educated professionals. This attack is different because, firstly, it left no chemical traces, and secondly, no terror outfit has claimed responsibility yet. This incident underscores a critical point. No matter how much AI or CCTV surveillance you deploy, such terror rings cannot be busted without human intelligence. The real failure after the Pulwama attack was the division it created among us. The masterminds of terror aim to divide society. This time, too, attempts are being made to spread hate through anonymous social media handles. We must not fall into this trap. Our enemies know that a united India is unbeatable. Many questions remain unanswered. Who radicalized these doctors? Where did they receive training? Was the explosion accidental? Until we have confirmed information, please do not speculate. For now, our duty is to remain cautious and, most importantly, united.